Welcome to dNAxt. We are discussing class A subnetting, and in this video we'll be talking about /28. So /28 means 28 bits are of your network and remaining 4 bits are of the host. Out of 28, 8 are the default network bits and the remaining 20 bits are the subnet bits which we have borrowed from the host portion. So how many subnetworks we will get? We will get 2 to the power 20 subnetworks. That comes out as 10 lakhs 48,000 just a minute. Yes, 10 lakh 48,000 576. These many subnetworks you will get. How many hosts per subnetwork? That is 2 to the power 4. Why? Because we have 4 host bits minus 2. 2 to the power 4 is 16. So 16 minus 2, actually 14 endpoints you can attach. What will be the increment? That is 256 minus subnet bit value. Let's calculate subnet bit value. It is 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16. That is 240. So 256 minus 240, that means there will be an increment of 16. Increment of 16 where? In the fourth octet. Then there will be an increment of 1 in the third octet, and then there will be an increment of 1 in the second octet. So the first subnetwork will be 10.0.0.0/28. Next will be 10.0.0.16, 10.0.0.32, 10.0.0.48, 10.0.0.64. This will go on by the increment of 16 in the fourth octet. The last you will get 240. Now you cannot add 16 over here because it will become 256. And in that case, you will be doing increment in the third octet, preceding octet. 1.0. So for 1.0, 1.16, 1.32, 1.48, 1.64, 1.80, 1.96, this will go on till you get 10.0.1.240. Now the next will be 10.0.2.0. Okay, the increment of 1 will take place. Then again increment of 16 will start in the fourth octet. Then when you will reach 240 in the fourth octet, you will do increment of 1 in the third octet. This process will continue till you get 10.0.255. By incrementing 1, 1, 1 every time, you will get this IP address. So 10.0.255.0, 255.16, 255.32, this will go on and you will get 10.0.255.240. Now you cannot do increment in the fourth octet, you cannot do increment of 1 in the third octet. At that time you have to do increment of 1 in the second octet. You got 0.0, so this whole process for last 2 octet will continue, and then you will get 10.1.255.240. Now it will be next subnet will be 10.2.0.0, and again you got 0.0 like this. So this whole process will continue till you get 10.2.255.240. Okay, then it will become 3.0.0.0, 10.3.0.0. Okay, and the last subnetwork will be 10.255.255.240. Okay, this is your last subnetwork. Let's write down broadcast ID of few of them. Broadcast ID for this will be 10.0.0.15. First valid host will be 10.0.0.1 and last valid host will be 10.0.0.14. So 1 to 14, 14 valid IP addresses you will get. Okay, what will be the broadcast ID of this? 10.0.0.255. What will be the broadcast ID of this? 10.0.1.15. Okay, and the broadcast ID of the last subnetwork will be 10.255.255.25. Okay, so this is all about slash 80. This is all about slash 28. We'll be discussing slash 29 in the next video. So stay tuned with dNAxt. Thank you.